In today's equity index futures markets, let's take a look at the NASDAQ futures today as they're realizing the brunt of the selling pressure today. We're seeing quite a divergence between the equity index futures today, with the NASDAQ being the biggest loser of the day, down about 350 points or just under 3% at the 12,310 level. And when you look at this level, this is the lowest level for 2021. We're actually taking out the lows here. And so we are, again, testing levels from December of 20 when you look at the NASDAQ futures. And some of the factors, I think, playing into why we continue to see this dynamic play out. Number one, the stimulus measures passing are having an impact, I think, not only on the expectations moving forward from the U.S. growth standpoint and economic activity and possibly industrial activity and some of the other things that have suffered in the last year. Couple that with the interest rate environment continuing to be a major headwind for the NASDAQ constituents, as well as we're seeing rates pushing up to, again, the highest level in just over a year. And the third thing, the U.S. dollar continues to rally, 92.4 now. And so all three of those things, I think, are playing into this rotation trade that we've been discussing here for the last several months. And I think it definitely continues to play out once again today, because when you look at the price action on the futures markets, the Dow futures are actually up 1% today. The Russell futures were up about 0.75% today. The S&P futures were down slightly on the session, about 0.25%. And the NASDAQ futures down about 2.8% today. So again, you're seeing this rotation as this reopening theme continues to play out within the equity markets, and it's certainly having an impact on the NASDAQ futures today.